Welcome! Today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sound section, tap there, and now just to mute your ringtone volume you should swipe this green dot to the left side with your finger. And by this way you can mute your ringtone volume. Also we got the second way how you can do that. It's here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just press your down volume button, and by this way you can mute your ringtone volume. And also the third way, just press one from the volume buttons and then just swipe this green dot to the left side. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.